to the car.
Move to the beat.
Oh, not this again.
Let's get you healed up.
Oh, it's us.
Little hand here.
No, I tried to get you to...
Check this out.
Oh, you're gonna have a really hard time hitting him with Junkrat.
That's the bit.
He's on that wall. He's coming back onto there.
I need to not play catch, because I literally intentionally wall rode and jumped right into both of them.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Time to
Now
accelerate.
go, kid.
No. I was wanting to go and play.
Traveling to Route 66.
It's not a good sign when it's 200 below my SR for the average.
Select
Push top left.
Oh dear,
Now
here he
he's
comes.
getting on. Of course, right when we've decided that we're about to get off. Whatever we... I really hope we don't lose this game.
Hi.
Because Abbott just got us, it's like, literally, we decided if we lost the game, and we lost right when you decided to pop on. Oh well, his commentary could be, oh wait, no, he can't watch us. Oh well. I guess we're gatekeeping the online world.
After this match is over, right now, it's time to get serious.
Did you, let me guess, you just started a match?
Yeah. We're literally about to walk out the doors.
Not only did we just start a match, we are playing. If we will play until we lose, because me and Kaufman both want sleep for at least one night this week. They're
so
running
you guys-
double turret.
That's fun.
So
Kill the torch turret.
Were you guys thinking about hopping off soon?
Yeah.
Can you not hear me?
I guess not. Yeah, we had decided that we would play till we
Ah,
And we've won one game. Well, me and
Also, can you
Rands
not
went on a
hear-
double heal, like, legend streak. It was like me and Kaufman playing freaking D&D, and we got 5 games that time.
Squirt that mustard.
it's
Also, FYI, we are recording a video right now, so just so you know. The
like with
entirety...
voice and stuff?
What?
Like with voice and stuff?
Yeah.
With voice, video, and Discord attached somehow. Or at least right now it's through speakers and then it can pick it up. I don't know. Haven't worked out the kinks yet, but that was what today was for.
So I should just say every slur I can think of.
Absolutely,
don't worry, I already
because
know.
I don't want to be a kid-friendly channel, and if you and Rands keep doing what you normally do, yeah, that'll pretty much take any possible kid-friendly thing out of it.
Racism light.
No, we just have Andre join, and then we can't be racist.
No, I got to be extra racist when Andre was here. Remember, I told him he got promoted from the token black friend.
I got bomb.
And I think he died laughing at that.
Oh, he did. This is the same person who he didn't know if his family was gonna get together one Thanksgiving. I'm like, you can join us. We're doing pictures. I guess you could be the butler. I guess I don't know. And he was just dead. I believe in
Oh, that's
his.
good.
I believe in his version. He's just like, or I could be your chauffeur. Like whatever fits. Like.
Kill the whole.
That's hilarious.
Oh, there's a turret up top.
What kind of game mode is this?
Tom.
But
Escort, it's Route 66.
Ah.
I need to stop playing catch with giant slow projectiles. Because let him say I'm batting 1,000 in the lucky grab department.
Can we
cat
kill the
playing
Lucio?
catch better than good people.
Okay. I've got bomb again.
Depending on where you're from, you could be the bomb.
Yeah, like Hamad.
Lucio came out of the bottom left door. Moira's down there too.
Oh,
So-
great. Yeah.
Yeah, they're all coming through the bottom door. There's now a Winston.
And I almost got.
I'm gonna back up.
No, I died.
Apparently, I should go out for the baseball team somewhere because I'm great at catching and throwing. Because all I'm doing is breaking freaking barriers.
Do we have people? Alright, I'm gonna toss it over the building.
Yep. Nice.
I guess I'm curious, as far as stats go, does damage the barrier, like, does hitting a barrier count as a missed shot?
No, it counts
I
as
got
nothing.
it. Kill the Lucio, he's on card.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll be right there.
Force is dead. Sin. Sin's dead. Kill the Winston.
Turrets next to the bottom left door. I went from having no metal, and then one fight getting silver.
Torb on card.
If at first you don't succeed, load up again.
You're just not killing things. Swing on the Moira!
10 seconds.
They also keep having TP to keep bringing them back every 5 seconds.
Oh, that's so sad. The Rhine could have killed the Moira. All they had to do was swing at her.
What the hell was our Reaper doing?
I don't know, they just switched.
Score 1-0. Switching sides.
Oh, I got called bad.
Again?
Prepare your
No, I'm talking about the other game.
select
Oh yeah, they were just
Oh,
like,
yeah, yeah.
oh, he's bad. I'm like, he had silver freaking damage, I'm pretty sure, that game.
Yeah. My life is over now that I was called bad by a stranger on the internet.
A stranger that was practically throwing the entire game as well.
Oh, what do I want to do for defense? I guess Alyssa.
I feel like playing Bashed, and that would be lots of fun.
Enough waiting around. Let's get out there.
Because if they're doing that, as long as Rans, you're close.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
What's that as long as I'm close?
Me playing Bastion.
Must be getting bad if going to Bastion.
No, I just feel like trolling. Trollalalalalalalala.
I have gold healing. Ooh-wee.
I have bronze damage.
Attackers incoming.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh, there's a
Junkrat's-
photo of this guy.
Junkrat's coming left.
No, that's junk.
Look, I just saw something in this. Find the body block for you.
Mercy.
Oh, I got hooked. Oh,
I
I'm
was
gonna
trying
die
to
here.
prevent him from doing that, but also...
I will protect the innocent.
The Orisa's really low.
Fall back.
Kill the Moira. Yeah, we could win this. It's only the Moira and Orisa. And now the Hawks.
Oh, the Junkrat. Oh, the Junkrat.
Okay, the Orisa was really hungry for me. Tracer behind us. Is that friendly? No.
Come on, guys.
Clearing the area.
Orisa should die here.
Destroy barrier, destroy barrier.
Tracer's dead. Winston's dead. Don't get too overzealous.
Yes, just let him fight. Don't push up, don't push up. Just let him come through.
Junk's on the top window.
Winston's top of gas station.
Winston's down. Winston's. I mean, I should say opponents.
Winston's on the cart.
Back online.
He's dead. Oh, that's a waste. Ow. That means the Ash is Moira's going on the left side.
Dang, I didn't know the Moira was flanking left side just to kill me. Thank you.
I got pushed
Marisa
off.
down.
Falls on point.
That's how it's done. I am empowered. Justice reigns from above.
Oh, they also had a Bob.
Was there?
Well, I knew they had a Bob. I didn't know we had a Bob.
Wait, where is this guy? Oh, somewhere.
Justice is done.
I didn't realize they had a Bob.
Here we go,
I knew we
Bob.
had a Bob. Yes,
There we go.
buddy.
I'm shocked we won that one.
I am shocked we held as well as we did, but that's what happens when I can just aim terribly and win as Farah. That was beautiful. Oh my gosh, I did not know Magma Angels. He's just... He was
Boy,
doing...
trying so hard.
I had 17 HP! Capitan!
So are you guys on defense now, or are you on offense
We're
now?
done.
We just
We're
won.
on... New game.
Ah,
It was Route 66. Without checkpoint. But we held them right before the first checkpoint.
You did not.
Why are we in the practice range?
Because I clicked join instead of invite, so I'm leave.
R.I.P. my hopes of being party leader.
You still wouldn't have been party leader.
You gotta try.
Got two modes of thinking here. One, if we're playing till we lose, I could play support, where we will get into lower SR ranked games because that's my lower SR. But also, it's a low SR, which means I'm probably not good at it.
Now arriving at Down Power.
Or I play tank, which is apparently gold,
Now.
Oh gosh.
and we get into higher SR matches, but my SR is higher, so I must be good at it.
You haven't played it enough to realize where you are.
No, that's the wrong button. That's the right button. I'm holding point, don't worry. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys, I'm dead.
Forward.
Wilbur. No, you killed Wilbur! No heals for you.
I don't need any. I didn't take any damage.
Yeah, because he snuck up on us like,
I Muzan Kibutsuji'd you.
you're a what?
Muzan Kibutsuji?
Who the fuck is that?
Michael Jackson, Demon Slayer.
No, you did not even mean to do that.
No, I did.
Oh, get out of the way, Meat Shield.
Ah!
Ah!
I still live!
Good to be back.
Now I heal.
Where is my buddy? There he is.
Lock on my target. Flight routine activated.
If only you were just a little shorter, I would have had you right in the head.
Or if your aim was a little better.
No, I missed.
No, I had it perfect for a headshot if you were equal height for me.
Oh no!
But since you're levitating as what's her dick?
Your ult was messing with my aim.
Restoring health systems. Hello.
Well, that was close. Ah, damn.
I had 5 health, and he freaking punched me to death.
Oh no, he's going some girl.
You might not want to do that.
Executing flight maneuvers. Got you.
Oh, you went some. Oh,
Going free.
okay. I thought that was.
That was a hook.
Yeah, Echo is so easy to kill because her head hitbox is so freaking big.
That's
I need to
right.
get back in there. Mobility increased.
Safe option. Farm hog for alt charge.
Ooh.
Oh, you lucky.
Finishing them off. Taking off. Stabilizing system core.
Not fair, not fair. I pushed the wrong button. And it took me off of a cooldown.
Learning from that one.
Oh.
Boosting up.
Let me deal with the bow user. You deal with Fatty McCharger health. Ain't that long.
That's very satisfying.
It might be that long. I know that he's...
Changing position.
Just focus on Fatso.
Adaptive circuits engaged. Reversing person.
Ah, that's
You didn't
bad.
die. Hi. Go elsewhere.
Ah.
Hey. So all those were on purpose. I was just letting you guys know that I'm actually good, you know.
Then why don't you actually play Hanzo then?
Yeah, that sounds boring.
I
Doesn't
got
sound
my
fun
first
if you're
silver
good.
star, guys.
Okay. Whatever.
I can't remember. Are there any DPS with shields?
Nope.
No. Other than Symmetra on her ult.
Okay, that really doesn't count.
Which, to me, that's kind of weird.
Let's keep this guy.
She was originally designed as a support.
Oh no! I'm not saying that. I'm saying the lack of shield users for.
No, you don't want everyone having shields. Why would you give DPS damage mitigation tools?
Because there's a
Doesn't
thing
make
called
sense.
a riot shield.
Oh, they've got a widow.
Eva's right here.
Picked off their Genji.
Watch out, they do have a widow. Smart sight lines.
You made a tactical error.
Oh, I want so badly to just charge, but I don't.
Just do what I do and do it.
Do what Rand
Rand,
says.
we're playing until we lose here. I'd like to play more than one.
I've got Shatter. Oh, Lucio's charging in.
I
I'm
missed.
got volley arrows. Oh, aha! Oh shit, Genji's on me.
Meets me. The true enemy of humanity is disorder.
Demon's right here.
Point.
Alright, got a
Oh, they're on point. They're on point.
It's just Genji.
Oh.
Dragon's coming
I
out.
have no shield. Genji's dead. Moira's on Dara.
See, I wanted to play someone that's not the usual three that I either cheese or get pooped on by.
I got the sig.
Wait, are we double DPS? Yes, we are.
Yay! We are going to do the tried and true combo, the Hanzo Torb.
I'm giving my shield charge.
They know where we are, just FYI. Don't
Widows
peek.
got me. I could use some health.
We also know where they are.
Oh, that was
Ooh!
Yes.
Save me!
Nope. Typically, I risk it for the brisket, but there is no brisket in this one.
They now switch to Ashe. Because their aim apparently is slightly better when they can shoot more. Would you quit finishing off the kills when I get a headshot? He did that 3 times so far. Because I'm like, yes, I got a dink, and then it's like, oh, Abbott got it. Oh, he used storm arrows to do it twice at once. Because I was just firing into the random bodies.
That's what I'm doing too. I've got dragons. I'm gonna save it until they make a bigger.
That was
push.
the perfect time to use dragons.
Oh yeah, grab is literally
Okay, then yeah,
exactly
go
when
for
to
it.
use it. It's a little late
Wait,
now.
Genji's about to dragon blade you.
Oh gosh, I got pinned! Save me! Oh, I didn't even take the damage. 'Cause he didn't
Moira's on me.
No, I was gonna hammer him.
Oh dear.
Oh, I got deaded.
That was a waste of the shatter. Well, that's unfortunate. Right up till the very end. Or wait, no, are you still holding?
Yep.
Lucio and I are on the way back.
And I'm right behind you.
The whole team's on
It's
the
just
way back.
Moira! Moira and Ryan! No, it just didn't make it in time. Oh, yay!
Well, here comes the goon squad. Kill the Ryan!
The Moira got me.
No! I died.
I have 15 seconds. So I'm not getting any. And I also died.
Nick, solo carry.
Yes, just kill
What have
everyone.
I been doing so far?
Just 1v6.
I was, I
It's
got
really
one of them.
simple. Oh, we're not gonna get there.
Except for that Moira decided to,
Actually, no, I can touch, but I shouldn't.
Touch it.
pull back!
If I can.
Why'd you go this way?
Damn it, Genji. Too fast.
Somehow I got gold objective.
Hold objective what?
Time.
How?
I don't know.
Is that Mercy? Actually, I guess that kind of. You have like the least reason.
No, but I would
Big as loud, who's down?
Rogue would have, yeah.
Oh, Rogue.
Does damage against
does
Frog
have it.
What?
Genji's behind. I'm dead.
What you at?
11. Oh, I'm at 34 seconds.
You just took it from me.
Haha! I have a feeling oh, never mind. I see the half of our almost the entirety of our core stack. Okay,
I got the.
whenever you see them use grab, shoot your dragons at it.
I got. I'm surprised I didn't die.
Genji's behind again. Genji's bullying me.
Well, just be better.
He's the better brother, apparently.
Genji
yeah, they are
has
brothers,
every
aren't they?
advantage over Hanzo.
It depends. If Genji gets close, then yes. But
I mean,
Hanzo's
if you
job is
just
to...
headshot him.
That was a little late, my friend.
It fired it as soon as.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm almost dead. I'm gonna die.
Not for long.
Is there not a health pack in here? Oh, there's a mini.
Oh no!
Trial by fire! Wait, we both... What?
That was fun. Now watch him do double shield and we explode.
Sim Reaper rush comp?
Why not?
Well, we just need a Lucio and we'd actually have a really good comp.
The true enemy.
But yeah, we're gonna go left side and we're gonna attempt to teleport behind them if the comp allows. Or actually, let's peek main first. Because depending on where they are, like if they hold right side, I can peek and go, we can teleport left side and then it'll be a contest for points.
Should I follow the teleporter and just start blasting, or shoot him in the back as you get behind him?
You should be the front force of poop on them. So, yeah, take the
You
teleporter.
got it, boy.
Other than the big guy with the hammer.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I swear if they have a bastion.
Oh no! Oh hi, there's a Genji right here again. I guess I'm coming through here because I accidentally. Oh no!
Okay, everyone take TP and run!
Online.
Well, half the team's still back here, so. Oh, I missed everything.
You were not meant for greatness.
I like it.
Holding ZR. Oh my goodness. I was literally just holding ZR.
That's all I did.
I mean, that's what I did too.
Well, don't use that. Don't use that to approach from far away.
Escape isn't an option now.
I know
I've
you
got
always
shadow.
want escape to be. Wait
So if I can
until
get.
I can teleport you behind them for shatter.
Ooh, that sounds like
TP
fun.
up.
Lucio's dead.
There's
And no one's on this point. Go get it, Rams!
Death is an illusion.
Did we wipe the team and leave the point behind?
Yes.
We did.
I was
Here comes
pushing
the
it,
line.
and then Zarya came up, and I'm like, well, Zarya's not gonna do much.
They're coming.
Congrats, I guess.
Do we have grab? Not quite.
Oh, we've got Waldo.
Then
Uh-oh, look out!
That's mean, boy.
That was unfortunate.
Yep.
The ninja's ulting. How am I not dead?
There is still much to be done.
Good grief. How close did we get?
1.52.
I was gonna say I was still on there for a little bit, and I have Death Blossom.
We have Beyblade!
I am going to have my shatter by the time I get there.
Should I teleport in with you or with my ability?
Just stay with the rest of the team.
We must get it moving.
Where's all our peeps?
Oh, I'm gonna go up behind him and then just drop in.
Turret deployed.
Oh, Junkrat's here.
If you can, wait, you should wait till I shatter. Let me know when you're in position.
I'm in position.
Okay, I'm going to call out the shatter. Now. Oh, they blocked it.
Teleport online. Must see the payload to its destination.
That worked.
Did you actually get shattered though?
I did.
Oh,
I mean, I
damn it.
didn't die from it.
Because I shielded it.
I fell down. I must
I
have been on
can't
the
help
big-
that you tripped.
That was a fun game.
Yay!
What?
Torb! Torb! Torb!
I get
Torb!
a
Torb!
ice piece at the end of the game.
I mean, he did like solo.
I also got freaking Genji who was standing on lava. Mercy! 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 Oh, somebody else better vote for him. Yay!
Gold objective time and gold healing.
You're welcome.
What are you talking about?
I obviously went to Sim and ignored objective time. Otherwise, I would have just sat on the thing and not pushed. Okay,